Good morning, YouTube. Today we have a twisted rubber band updo starring the lovely Izumi. So let's get right into it. The hair was actually pre-sectioned off because I was going to do her hair the night before, but sleep got the best of me. My pillow started calling me, so her hairdo had to wait until the morning. So that's why that front section there is braided off and it's already parted. But as you can see, it was very simple. It was just a square in the front and a part straight down the middle of the back, and we can get started right away. I'm sectioning off even, symmetrical portions of hair on both sides of the part, securing them with a rubber band and doing a 2-strand twist. Again, it's the lock method as always to keep the hair moisturized, and I go straight through the middle of the portion of hair that I'm trying to connect the original twist to in order to make the twist seem like it's one long twist coming through all the different parts. I really think that method makes it look more uniform and more even, and I discussed that a little more in the last video that I did with this similar hairstyle. And as you see, I did have to use a little extra spray on the end of her hair there. I do believe that moist hair gives the best twist. And when I say moist, I mean almost dripping, because my girl's hair, it just drinks water. But I remember being a little girl, my hair used to drink water as well, so, and it still does as an adult. So the more water, the better with these girls. I'm using gel as well in this hairdo, as you saw there. That product that I like to use is called World of Curls. It's a curl activator gel. Again, you guys know that I talk about moisture like it's water, because that's what we need, our life source. And so the same way as water is our life source, it's also the life source of our hair. So I like to make sure that the hair stays moist at all times. Even when the hair looks dry, it can still be moist to touch. And so that's my main goal here. I know a lot of the hairstyles that I see, especially in the photos, they just always seem to look so shiny and wonderful. But I wonder if the hair really is hydrated itself, or if that's just a product on top. So again, as you see, I put the World of Curls gel in there in order to make my parts stand out a little more and my braids, my twists look a little shinier. And then again, I went through the middle of the section that I'm connecting that piece of hair to, put the rubber band on. I pull it kind of taut, not too tight. I do not like overly tight rubber bands or hairdos, because I never want to see any bumps around the edges where the hair has been pulled too tightly, because everybody knows where there's bumps, next thing you know, the hair falls out at that area. And that was it for the twisted portion, the connected portion of this hairdo. It's really simple, it's really quick, and it's a cute style in the back, and you're able to put different color rubber bands. My daughter here, she loves the color blue, as you can see, so she was so excited to be able to have her blue rubber bands jumping out in her hairdo as a pop of color. And I put some twist in the front of her hair. As you see, it's all in her face there, and this little girl never likes things in her face, any hair in her face. She wants it always pulled back away, which is so different from my other daughter. But there we go. So I pinned it up, got some smiles for you. Thanks so much for watching.